Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Photon. Go to the Photon website on your browser. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Now enter your password in the pop-up window and then unlock it. Click on the Connect button. By signing in, you agree to the terms and services. Add the network to connect and then choose the Confirm button. Now you have to generate and download your Photon trading wallet. Click on Generate and copy the private key below and it will not display it again. Slide the given bar to show, copy the link, and then continue. You can finally save the key by clicking I have already saved. Deposit your SOL to the wallet and start trading. On the top bar of the browser, click on Phantom Extension. In the drop-down window, click on the 3 bars icon. Click on the plus icon and select Import Private Key. Enter your private key and name. Click on the import button and you can start trading. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.